Forgetting where you put your keys isn't normal aging. It's a warning your brain didn't get dinner. You walked into the kitchen this morning for something. You stood there. You looked around. And then, nothing. Gone. You forgot why you even came in. And the worst part, that's been happening a lot lately. Before you start Googling early dementia symptoms at 2 a.m., stop. Because the answer to your foggy, forgetful brain might already be sitting in your refrigerator or pantry right now. Today, we're talking about 3 foods that science says can actually repair your brain while you sleep. Yes, while you sleep. Your brain is basically a night shift worker, and these foods are its toolkit. Let's get into it. Food number 1, blueberries. These tiny purple powerhouses are basically nature's brain update patch. Blueberries are loaded with flavonoids called anthocyanins, which cross the blood-brain barrier. Yes, your brain has a security bouncer, and blueberries get VIP access. Once inside, they reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and actually stimulate the growth of new neural connections. That's your brain literally rewiring itself overnight. Studies from the University of Exeter found that people who consumed blueberry concentrate showed improved brain activity and better memory recall within just a few weeks. A handful of blueberries before bed. That's it. Frozen or fresh, both work. Your brain doesn't care about aesthetics, it just wants the goods. Food number 2, walnuts. Really look at it, it looks like a tiny brain. That is not a coincidence. Okay, scientifically it is a coincidence, but let's pretend the universe was trying to send us a message. Walnuts are one of the richest plant-based sources of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that is absolutely critical for brain cell structure and communication. Your brain is about 60% fat, and DHA is its favorite building block. Without enough DHA, your memory circuits start degrading. With it, they rebuild. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular walnut consumption was associated with significantly better cognitive performance, particularly in memory and concentration. 7 walnuts a day. That's the sweet spot according to researchers. 7. Count them. Your brain is worth 7 walnuts. Food number 3, eggs. Specifically the yolk. We spent decades fearing the egg yolk like it was some kind of edible villain, and science has since issued a full apology. Egg yolks are packed with choline, a nutrient that your body uses to produce acetylcholine, your brain's primary memory neurotransmitter. Low choline levels are directly linked to memory loss and cognitive decline. Most people are walking around chronically choline deficient and don't even know it. 2 eggs before bed or in the evening gives your brain the raw materials it needs to consolidate memories while you sleep. It's like giving your brain a filing cabinet instead of just a pile of loose papers. Now here's the thing. Diet is foundational, but sometimes your brain needs a little extra support, especially if you've been running on stress, poor sleep, and 3-hour coffee drips for the past decade. That's where a high-quality omega-3 fish oil supplement comes in, and I've linked one in the description that's been a genuine game changer for mental clarity. It's triple strength, third-party tested, and it delivers the DHA your brain is literally crying out for, minus the taste of the ocean, which is a win for everyone. Think of it as the insurance policy for everything you just learned today. The blueberries, walnuts, and eggs do the heavy lifting, and the omega-3 handles the overtime shift. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Your future self, the one who remembers where they put their keys, will thank you. The bottom line, your brain is not broken, it's just underfed. Blueberries for inflammation. Walnuts for structure. Eggs for memory. Start tonight. Add the omega-3 from the link below if you want to accelerate the results. The memory fix isn't complicated. It's in your kitchen. Now go eat something. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.